Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to trade in Paytm Money App. So today I'm going to make a live trade in this video and record it and share it to you guys. So I have considered Tata Motors here. So I will open the Tata Motors. Before that, I would like to confirm you that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor and I'm not showing you how to trade generally. I'm showing you how to trade inside Paytm Money App. This is just for informational purpose. So I will be sharing you the features that the Paytm Money offers, and I'm not advising you the way I trade. So let me go to chart. So I'm taking an 1 day chart. Okay. So I'm planning to sell 25.2. I'm placing a sell order. Oops. Yeah. So I will place a market price. Let me see the chart again to see if my decision is right to sell it or buy. Okay. It might retract till 125.2 or 3, but still it will go up. So what I will do is I will wait. What I'll do is I will make a buy 5. I don't have enough funds, so I will place it as 5. 125.2 is my price, and I will place a stop loss. That means I will place a cover order. This is a cover order. So 125. Since this is a buy, so what I will do is I will put it on 24.5. So I'm making a strict stop loss order. Always place stop loss during your trading. If not, you don't. I advise you not to trade without stop. Yeah. We buy this. It is already reaching highs. Yeah. Super unexpected things happening. Okay. It has reached today's support. So I'm planning to sell it again. Yeah. I'm giving it some market price. And I'm giving a stop. In cover order we need to give the sell price as well as the stop loss trigger price. 26. Okay. Sell. Great. So my order is sucks. Yeah, sell order is successful. My stop loss order is still there. Let me go to my positions. Let me see if we are at the right place. So like, let me show you. So if I execute now, so that would be my profit and loss here. Like, if is it 0 or is it 0.25, and Paytm Money will detect 0.03 percentage or 10 rupees, whichever is lower for this particular trade. So this is how we should trade. Let me see the chart again. Yes, it is retracting as I suggested. Fine, that's great. See, we are in a very good position right now. Just with 5 stocks, I'm able to earn 2 to 3 rupees. This is just a sample video that I'm showing right now. I need to exit the position as soon as I see the support. This chart is taking some time to load every time, so this is really not good actually. Okay, so the my support I would say is 125.5. Let me exit it. I will like we should exit it. Why I'm not able to cover order? So it says exit order from cover order section. Yeah, so we need to close that. So now it says 0.75 is the profit. So this is how we should trade. Like, see, just with 5 stocks I was able to earn nearly a rupee. So just consider the leverage that the Paytm Money App provides, and from there you can trade hundreds of shares, but always trade with stop loss. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. So we can see the successful orders here, failed orders, cancelled orders. These are today's trade that I did. And oops, yeah, you can see here today's profit loss, today's trade value. I had around only 406 rupee in my funds, but I was able to trade with more value because of leverage. I hope this video is really useful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you, and also let me know if you have any questions. I will reply to that in your comments. Thank you so much.